Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're troubleshooting a 32-inch Tecno Master TV with a power issue. If you are new to TV repair, this video will help you understand the process, step by step. This TV was brought to me by a fellow technician. The problem? It turns on, but then immediately shuts off. He already replaced the main board, but the issue remains the same. Since I provided that board from a working TV, I know it is good. So let's begin the diagnosis and find out what is really causing the issue. First, let's power on the TV and observe the behavior. The standby light turns on, but when we press the power button, the screen does not turn on. The light blinks and then the TV shuts down again. This tells us there might be a short circuit somewhere. Now, let's open the TV and measure the 12-volt output from the power board. If the voltage drops when turning on, it means something is shorted. Step 1. Measuring the 12-volt output. The voltage drops. That confirms a possible short circuit. Step 2. Disconnecting the LED backlight and display panel. Now, we measure again. This time, the voltage remains stable. Step 3. Reconnecting the LED backlight only. The TV stays on. Step 4. Reconnecting the display panel. The TV shuts off again. This confirms the problem is in the display panel. Since the panel is shorted, we need to check the capacitors near the fuse. Using a multimeter, we test the capacitors. We find that one of them is shorted. Now, let's remove the faulty capacitor and replace it with a new one. Soldering is complete. Now, it's time for the final test. We power on the TV. The standby light is steady. The screen turns on. The TV is now working perfectly. And that's it. We have successfully repaired the TV. The issue was not with the main board, but a short circuit in the display panel capacitors. This is a common problem, and now you know how to fix it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech repair tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.